Hello, my name is Julian Colungar Mendares, and the name of my teammate is Angelivan Briones-Zamudio. And we will talk about the topic of materials, and we will answer some questions about it.
The main idea of the text and that there are five advanced materials, then can't use it. You can easily explain it because the topic tells about the materials. In the expression in paragraph 4, doubt sides wood lighter than metal and glass, and comparison is mode and used expression lighter than as a comparison reference.
On the question 6 about this passage, it says, in this passage, the author talks about, and I think is the option B, because it says, heavy things first, then light things, because clearly the metal is the heaviest of all materials, of all that materials. Then the passage mentions that glass is not as heavy as metal. Then it says that wood is lighter than the previous materials. Later, it mentions the two materials remaining. Later, on the question 7, it says, in this passage, we'll learn about 5 different materials. Which of these materials do you think is the best, and why? I think the best of these materials is the plastic, because there are many variations of this material and we can do too many things. We can do some things that are heavy, some things that not, and some things like that. And then it says the opposite. It says, in this passage, we learn about 5 different materials. Which of these materials do you think is the worst and why? And I think the worst is glass, not only because it is being quite fragile, it is not useful for many things. It is almost always used for aesthetic purposes.